Next problem is ethanol is a common laboratory solvent and has a density of 0.789 grams per milliliter. So it's giving me a relationship there. I'm going to write that down. Notice that typically in the problem, the units are going to be written kind of side by side. Okay? You're much better off writing them top to bottom when you write it down. It's much easier to see how to set up the dimensional analysis. So getting in that habit of writing about grams over milliliters, these mean the same thing, but it's just easier to read and easier to see what cancels. So 0.789 grams per milliliter, what is the mass in grams? So it's asking us for grams equals question mark of 135 milliliters of the ethanol. So EtOH. So again, I want to look and see what information am I given and which one has the simpler unit. Is it the milliliters or is it the grams per milliliter? So milliliters is the simple unit. So I'm going to start with 135 milliliters. So I know that no matter what, on the bottom of the next step has to be milliliters. So I look at any relationships I'm given or relationships I know that relate milliliters to something else. I see that I want grams for my answer, and I have grams per milliliter in this relationship. Okay, so this in this relationship that was given in the problem. So I take 135 milliliters, I have my milliliters on the bottom, I put grams on top, and then I put in the numerical value, 0.789 grams per milliliter. So that's the same as having 1 milliliter on the bottom. So now I can take 135 times 0.789 and get 107 grams of ethanol. So that's after I rounded to 3 sig figs. The calculator actually read 106.515.